Ubuntu, which is the most friendliest Linux operating system variant ever. So all you have to do is just go to Ubuntu, and you'll be shown this page wherein we will be having different details about Ubuntu, and all you have to do is just click on download, and you have to download this 18.04 LTS, which is a long-term support. Just in case you are running a server or you want a machine which won't ask for upgrade for 3 to 4 years, then LTS operating systems are best, because they will be supported for longer period of time, so you don't have to switch to any upgraded version of Ubuntu or the operating system. So yeah, that helps and saves you a lot of time. While we have 18.10, which basically means that every 6 months you will be getting a new update about the upgrade of Ubuntu. So it's your choice, you can choose either of them. And then we have Ubuntu server as well. It doesn't have any UI, so all it has is a terminal access, which basically lets you do all the operations and all the work which you want to do without the UI. The UI which we are seeing right now, the graphical user interface, it won't be there. So for the average user, Ubuntu desktop will do, and 18.04 LTS or 18.10, this is the latest one, which basically means October. This means April. So there are two release cycles, one is in April and second one is in October. So you can just click on it, and it will show you this page. Thank you for downloading Ubuntu desktop, and the download will start. So it is a 1.8 gigs ISO file, which you can just either burn to your pen drive, or you can burn it to the CD, and you can just install it, or you can even install it within your computer using VirtualBox. So you will be having one operating system or multiple operating system inside your main operating system, which has its own advantages. So it's up to you how you want to use your new operating system. So for trying out, you can use these new operating systems on your VirtualBox, but once you are like sure about this operating system, then you can permanently move to that by installing the new operating system in your machine, either through the DVD or through pen drive. Yeah, the choice is yours. So Ubuntu is one of the most easiest Linux variant ever. It is free, so you don't have to pay a dime for this, and it is a very stable operating system, which gets its inspiration from MacBook Pro. So you are in good hands when you're using this. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.